Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So now I have brought another big breaking news for all you guys, because we all know that the central government has given permission to the schools to open them from 21st of September. So keeping that thing in mind, schools have started preparing for reopening. So although many states have decided not to open their schools, but there are certain states which are fully prepared to open their schools from 21st September itself. So now it has been made clear that from 21st September 50% teaching and non-teaching staff will be called, and all the managements of the schools, they are preparing their premises to be ready for the school students. And one thing more has been made clear, that now students will not be allowed to come by public transport. Only their parents will have to pick and drop them from the schools. And one more thing is there, that now the schools will be working in two shifts. Means half of the students will come in the first shift and the rest of the students will come in the second shift. So this will be a new way of teaching now. So these things are going on, and all these things have been decided by the UP government right now. And even in Haryana also, all the schools are being prepared for reopening. Means in Haryana also, government has given this order to the school associations of the public and like unaided private schools also, that they should send them proposals how they are making arrangements to open their schools. All the school campuses are being sanitized, and proper arrangements are being done, so that the safety of students is not hampered at all. So now means governments have discussed this thing with the parents also, and most of the parents have given their consent that they want to send their children to the schools. So, as I told you yesterday also, that 83% of the parents and students are ready to go back to their schools. So keeping all these things in mind, now two states, means not two, rather more than two states have decided to fully open their schools from 21st September itself. Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Arunachal Pradesh, and some states of northeast, they are already opened. Now we have to see what is the decision of Delhi government. Although the chief minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, has made it clear that they are not ready to open the schools yet, but still I think if and whenever the schools will be opened in Delhi, they will also be opened at the same model. Means same procedure will be taken by the Delhi government also. So if you are residing in the capital of the country, you should also be ready, because when all the states will decide to open their schools, it will be made mandatory for Delhi also. So now that day is not far away when all the schools will open up. So share this video with others also, and do subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you everybody.